Okay, guys, good morning. I just want to make a quick video here regarding the boxes. Okay, so as you can see here, it cut the reversal here. Okay, so with a high volume candle, which it was plotted first. Then we see the congestion here. Then the market just decided to reverse. Okay, so uh, once you see the first one here, you can, because with the unirenko candles, it's very difficult to find where the market is just sideways, because the bar absorbs everything, so there's no way that you can know that. You can see the wicks and everything, but that's all that you can see. Okay, so when we see the congestion, we see the first box here, then we see another box here. I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. And
Long signal
you
and
see
Q.
the third box here, then we see a big push. You see the time and sales here, the blueprint. The market was having momentum, but we have three continuous boxes. And that's what the market does. It congests, then it reverses. This three boxes in a row
Long signal and
is a
Q.
reversal pattern. Okay, so this is something that is important for you to know if you own the boxes. Okay, so this will tell you exactly where the market is gonna reverse. Okay, so that's very important, guys. Just wanted to talk about that. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, guys, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.